In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls in Freshsales. By the end, you'll feel comfortable placing calls right from your CRM, whether you're on your phone or at your desk, and you'll know the quickest path to start a conversation with a lead or contact. If you use the Freshsales mobile app and it's already set up, start by opening the app and locating the phone widget or dialer. This is your hub for calling on the go. For the smoothest experience, make sure your device has a stable internet connection and that microphone permissions are allowed for the app. A headset can help reduce background noise so your caller hears you clearly. On desktop, one of the fastest ways to call is directly from a lead or contact. When you see their name or phone number in Freshsales, hover your mouse over it. You'll see a small phone icon appear. Click that phone icon, and Freshsales will open the call dialer and start the call for you. If your browser asks for microphone access, allow it so your voice goes through the dialer without issues. This hover and click method is perfect when you're reviewing a list and want to reach out immediately. You can also initiate calls from the phone widget itself. Click the phone widget to open the dialer. At the top, choose the number you want to call from. This is your outgoing caller ID, which is especially helpful if you manage more than one number or team line. Picking the right outbound number helps the recipient recognize who's calling. Next, search for the contact by name inside the widget or enter the phone number manually using the keypad. If you're dialing manually, double-check the country code and number format to avoid misdials. When everything looks good, press call. The dialer will connect, and you'll be live on the line. While you're talking, keep your environment quiet and your microphone close for clear audio. If you experience any audio hiccups, quickly confirming your internet strength or switching to a stronger connection can help. If a call doesn't go through, verify the number and try again from the widget. That's it. You can either hover over a contact and click the phone icon to start instantly, or open the phone widget. Choose your outbound number, find the contact or type in the number, and press call. Try both methods to see which feels faster for your workflow, and you'll be placing calls confidently in Freshsales in no time.